What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person watching, every single person viewing to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Send requests in, all that good stuff. Tell me what videos you like watching, all that good stuff. There's a link below for the Discord. Check that out also. And let's get straight into this one. So a box that needs no introduction, plain old red and white Nike sportswear box. The important bit is the label, which says Nike Air Max 95, and the colorway is black, white, TM Royal, US size 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45. The style code on this pair is DM0011-006, and they're made in Indonesia. Let's get into this pair. Yes, look at that, man. Just look at them. I was thinking childish, but you know what? Got these in hand and they just pop. They just pop, man. I know there'll be a few people pairing these with certain tech fleeces, stuff like that. Oh man, I really like these. Let's just run through the colors. So on the bottom we've got that royal blue, well, majority royal blue sole. Then we've got a bit of black here on like the forefoot, and then below the design is white and black. Midsole we've got plain white, standard white, all white on the midsole. The air bubble inside is like probably a black or a very dark navy blue. Gives it that kind of ghost look. Bottom layer we've got kind of nylon, a nylon type of material. Seems like coated on some leather or something. It is quite thick, so yeah, like a coated leather with a bit of nylon. That's in the royal blue. Then we've got a fabric type material there, again royal blue. We've got suede, which is kind of like a navy. It's not black, it's like a navy blue. If you have a look at it properly, compare it to the black, it's more of a navy. Then we've got a leather part, and the leather, you know, goes on to the bottom and also on the toe box. We've got a white and royal embroidered swoosh. The mesh we've got is black mesh, lace loops, white and royal. Underneath that is kind of a nylon type material again. Laces, we've got white laces, you know, the standard round laces with the royal blue tips. And then we've got like, again, like a navy blue there. You can't really tell as much in person about the navy, but definitely on camera I like the way it does pick up the different colors and shows you exactly what the contrast is. If you don't really pay attention to it, you might miss it. And we've got that good old embroidered Air Max logo in that royal blue, navy and white. Inside sock liner, all royal blue, and it's got a, you know, sticker Nike Air Max. On the back we've got a blue that's like 3M material with the black. But yeah, that's a quick overview of all the colors, all the details, all the information. I really do like the way that they've used different materials, so that's all different materials. I do like a leather toe box, very nice smooth leather. Mesh as well, black, you know, it doesn't get dirty quickly. These do give me kind of like a early 2000s, no, not 2010s, whatever they call them. I think 2012, 2013 times there was colorways like this or similar, but you know, I can't pinpoint exactly what colorway, but these really do give me that vibe. But they're really nice, I'll be honest. I really do like this colorway. If you're a Chelsea fan or anything like that, Everton, buy this. I don't support either teams, but I do appreciate the shoe. The colorway, very nice, very sleek, you know, comfortable as well, as always with the Air Max 95. So I don't really have too much more to say about this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. I'll also post it separate. There's over 500 videos for you lot to enjoy. Most importantly, take care, my people.